The late V.E. Howard used to say, "Are you listening?" This is a little bit of instructional, a little bit of directional. Again, to quote that passage from Ecclesiastes, "Whatsoever your hands find to do, do it with all your might." This is called the book method, or the staircase method of shingling. And that's how it goes. You don't want those seams lining up. And these particular shingles, an uncut shingle is 36 inches long. So you cut those in increments of 6 inches. Get out of shade here, and then it lines up right like that. It's very fast, and allows good water drainage. Let me kind of show you that process. It took me a long time to figure this out. You want to lay yourself a board out on your roof. If you're doing this on the roof, you don't have to do it on the roof, but cut your shingles in increments of 6 inches, if that's the length of your shingle. An architectural shingle, this particular brand is 5 5/8, and cut this out like this and save it for a pattern, so that you don't have to get out the old tape measure every time. Cut yourself out a pattern. I learned this technique from Larry Hahn. Of course, he's passed on, gone on to his reward, if you will. But if you're building something, make a pattern. Very similar to what's said in the book of Hebrews. God commanded Moses, "See that thou do all things according to the pattern." But this will greatly speed up your roofing. And this is not a professional video. And you would say, if you are a professional, why don't you have an air compressor out here? Well, we're miles from ordinary. Here we used the architectural shingle, and kind of used a Minecraft pattern, not to do any copyright infringement, but many different colors here. And just like the rest of the cabin, this is scraps, made up from scraps. But this is the 3-dimensional architectural shingle with a lifetime warranty. Of course, there won't be no warranty on these. But I'm putting this over 15-pound tar paper on top of the sheathing. If you've watched the previous videos, sheathing final. But you can see I pieced in many different colors here. It's only visible by helicopter, but I like it. I'll know about it, and you'll know about it. So make yourself a pattern and follow this, and you'll have a roof that more than likely won't leak if you install everything correctly. And it's also very fast about laying those shingles out, putting them on the roof.